Watches don't just tell time, they tell power and luxury. From million-dollar diamonds to handcrafted masterpieces, today we're exploring the most expensive watches owned by celebrities. From Rihanna's royal gold to Floyd Mayweather's $18 million diamond monster. Stay till the end, because the last one will blow your mind. One Rihanna, the diamond diva of time. Rihanna never misses when it comes to style and luxury. She's been spotted wearing the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak in pink gold, worth around $100,000, with a beautiful pink dial. She also loves Cartier, Chopard, and Jacob & Co. watches. One of her rare pieces, the Jacob & Company Brilliant Skeleton Northern Lights, is full of diamonds and costs around $72,000. For Rihanna, a watch isn't just about time, it's a statement of elegance and power. Burna Boy, the African giant of luxury. Nigerian superstar Burna Boy wears luxury like a crown. He's known for his Richard Mille RM 1103, a racing-inspired model valued at over $500,000. He's also seen with a Patek Philippe Nautilus, a collector's favorite, often worn by the world's elite. Burna Boy's watches reflect his journey, success, strength, and self-belief shining through every diamond. Michelle Yeoh, the queen of elegance. The Oscar-winning actress Michelle Yeoh blends grace with power. As a proud Richard Mille ambassador, she owns the RM 0701, rose gold, diamond bezel, and pure elegance. She also wears Piaget and Audemars Piguet pieces on red carpets. Michelle's watches show that elegance can be bold, timeless beauty with a modern touch. Lewis Hamilton, Formula One legend. He's an ambassador for IWC Schaffhausen, often wearing the IWC Big Pilot's watch perpetual calendar, Lewis Hamilton edition, with a red dial and 18-karat gold case, worth around $60,000. Just like his races, his watches are all about precision, performance, and perfect design. Lewis proves that real champions are never late. They're always on time. Cristiano Ronaldo, the million-dollar wrist football superstar. Cristiano Ronaldo owns one of the most expensive watch collections ever. He's been seen wearing a Frank Muller tourbillon covered in diamonds, worth a shocking $1.5 million. He also has a Rolex GMT Master Ice, one of Rolex's most expensive models, valued around $500,000. For Ronaldo, every tick on his wrist is a reminder of his unmatched success. Tom Brady, the quarterback of style NFL legend. Tom Brady mixes discipline with design. He's worn the IWC Top Gun Chronograph Mojave Desert Edition, a military-style ceramic watch worth around $9,000. He also loves Rolex Daytona and Audemars Piguet offshore watches. Tom's collection reflects his career: strong, stylish, and built to last. Pharrell Williams, the creative collector. When it comes to creativity, Pharrell Williams takes it to another galaxy. He collaborated with Richard Mille to create the RM 52-05 tourbillon Pharrell Williams, inspired by space and exploration. This stunning timepiece costs nearly $900,000. It features a tiny astronaut helmet on the dial, hand-painted and detailed. Pharrell doesn't just wear watches, he designs dreams you can wear. Drake, the champagne wrist wrapper. Drake's watch game is as bold as his music. He owns the Patek Philippe Nautilus 5719/10G, fully set with diamonds and worth over $600,000. He's also been seen wearing the Richard Mille RM69 Erotic Tourbillon, which can cost over $750,000. Drake's watches are more than accessories. They're lyrics of luxury, spoken through diamonds and gold. Jay-Z, the watch king of hip-hop. Hip-hop billionaire Jay-Z is a true watch connoisseur. He owns the Patek Philippe Grand Complications minute repeater, worth around $2.2 million. He also has rare Hublot Big Bang pieces and even collaborated with Audemars Piguet for a limited edition Royal Oak Offshore Jay-Z 10th Anniversary Edition. For Jay-Z, watches are art. Timeless masterpieces representing his rise from Marcy to mansions. 10. Jackie Chan, the martial arts collector. Action legend Jackie Chan owns a few of the world's most artistic watches. One of his most famous is the Richard Mille RM5701 Phoenix and Dragon, designed especially for him. It features gold dragons carved into the dial and costs around $700,000. Jackie's watches, like his movies, are full of action, culture, and creativity. So which of these watches made your jaw drop the most? Was it Pharrell's space-inspired Richard Mille, Jay-Z's $1 Million Patek, or Floyd's Diamond Monster? Tell us in the comments below. If you love luxury, style, and celebrity facts, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more from Lux Fact Worlds. Because remember, time is priceless, but these watches definitely aren't.